अपघातांक वा मरणांक निमंत्रण दिवपी झाडां कातरात आमचो कसलोच विरोध ना, पूण ज्या झाडापासून कसलोच धोको ना ती कित्याक कातरतात? सैम मोगींनी प्रश्न विचारला. धोकादायक नाशिल्लीं झाडां कातरपाक तांणी हरकत घेतल्या.
झाडांच्यो कांय खांदयो कातरून उडयल्यार समजूं येता, पूण की झाडां कातरून उडोवपाचें गणित समजूंक ना अशें तांचें म्हणणें. धोकोदायक नाशिल्ल्या झाडांची तांणी पळोवणी केली, तशेंच तांचे फोटो काडून ही झाडां धोकोदायक ना हें सिद्ध करतले अशें तांचें म्हणणें. जी झाडां कातरपाची आसा तांची रान खात्यान पळोवणी करची, कित्याक तर कांय वेळार झाडांच्यो खांदयो कातरपाक म्हणून येतात आनी पुराय झाड कातरून वयतात. ही गजाल कशीच मान्य नाशिल्ल्याचें तांणी सांगलें.
For reason for which we have to be alert as far as this exercise proposed by the municipality. There is one tree at Borda in front of Citizens Cooperative Bank. This rain tree, it is such a beautiful tree there. Everybody might have seen it. It is just in front of Citizens Cooperative Bank, and this particular tree is not shown for trimming. It has been listed for total cutting, and we can't understand what is the reason that it should be cut. Such a beautiful tree should be cut altogether. We could accept some sort of trimming, but here on the list it is showing us to be cut totally.
आयज आमी हांगा मिटींग घेतली रिगार्डिंग द मारगांव ट्रीज. मडगांवचें एक इतिहासीक शहर आसा आनी द ट्रीज एनहान्स द ब्युटी ऑफ मारगांव. एंड टू आवर अटर शॉक, I have come from Panjim. I realized that the trees are going to be cut. Now, on one side, we talk about go green, plant more trees. We have Vana Mahotsav by the government. On the other side, the government allows the cutting of the trees. And such a huge number, which is not required at all. There will be desertification of Margaon. Margaon without trees cannot be imagined. The total desert करून उडयतात ते. And as it is, there is so much of traffic and yes, trimming is okay. Okay? Worst to worst, like rarest cases, trimming we can allow, but cutting the trees, such beautiful trees, which is most uncalled for. So we request the concerned authorities to revisit this proposal and stop the cutting of the trees. Only if it is required in the rarest of rare cases where the tree poses threat to life, that tree could be cut. But en masse you are cutting 135 trees without any verification. It is most uncalled for, and we oppose this cutting of the trees of Margaon.
135 trees demarcate केले आसा, identify केले आसा to cut and trim around 135 trees. Some trees to be cut and some trees to be trimmed. Now, as far as the cutting of the trees is concerned, 100% आमी oppose करपाक हांगा meeting केला. Because even if you are going to cut a tree, we have to determine the age of the tree. कोण फॉरेस्ट ऑफिशियलान येवन ताजेर एक report तयार करपाचो की why the tree has to be cut. In law also, in environmental law also, there are settled principles that when there is going to be some new project or when there is going to be some impact on the environment, then only that kind of project has to be taken up where there can be sustainable development. Now here on the one hand they are saying that cyclone astale danger pose karta म्हण आमी कातरपाक शकता, but at the same time once you cut those trees, roots जे soil retention आसता rootsak लागून ते आमी we will lose that. When we lose that, again we are going to have impact on our cities. Again we are going to have impact on the natural biodiversity which is existing within our cities. So that has to be prevented at all costs. So tree cutting has to be in exceptional situations, exceptional cases where really the tree is in danger, where it is extremely old perhaps, then only it should be cut. Otherwise it should be saved at all costs.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकार.